So guys, now we're going to see about switch to dot windows. Okay, that means if you have multiple tabs, then how to switch between those tabs. Okay, so we are going to see that in this video. So we have our website refinder.com. So let me just search into that particular course, that is WhatsApp automation. Yep. So you can see this is our WhatsApp automation course, right? So if you click on this give exam, it will open a new tab to that certification page, right? So we are directly going to open this WhatsApp automation. So I'll just copy this one and paste it over here and change the link with this thing. Yeah, perfect. So after opening that WhatsApp automation course page, obviously we need to wait for some time. So I'll just write over here time.sleep. Instead of writing time.sleep every time, I can directly write sleep. Okay. So for that, I just need to import only sleep because we don't want everything from time module. So from time import sleep. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to use sleep. So sleep for 5 seconds. Okay, so you can see I am not writing time dot sleep. I am just writing only sleep. Okay, because you already imported only sleep. So now we have to click on this give exam button, right? So I'm going to inspect that thing, go into this button. So you can see this is, where is the link? Yeah, so you can see this is the A tag. I'll just copy the X path, and I'm going to write over here driver dot find element by XPath, and inside this quotation I'm going to paste that XPath. So this is a really big one, and after that we are going to click on that button, right? So dot click, that's it. And then obviously we have to wait for few minutes before, because the certificate page will take some time to load up. So I'm just writing sleep 5 again. So now in case if you want to print the current tab handle, we just need to write print driver dot current window handle. Okay, that's it. So let's try to run this cell. You can see it open this automated browser. Now it is loading WhatsApp automation page, and then it should click on this give exam. Yeah, so you can see now it is loading the certificate page. So now you can see this is the current window handle, right? CCD window, current window handle. Okay, so this is the total window handle. So in case if you want to move from one tab to another tab, we are going to use this thing. Okay, current window handle. Instead of writing current window handle, you can directly write window handle, because we don't need only current tab. We need all the tabs, right, open in that browser. So we just need to write uh, windows, or you can say tabs, and that can be equals to driver dot window, window handle. Okay, and then assume we just need to print the URL of both the pages. Okay, so this has the URL refiner.com slash certificate, and this has the URL of refiner.com slash WhatsApp automation, right? So we just want to print the URL of that particular page. So I'll just write over here for tab in tabs, we are only going to print the driver dot current underscore URL. Okay, because we have to print the current URL. Perfect. But before that, we have to move to the particular tab, right? So we have to write over a driver dot switch to dot window, and in the parentheses we are going to pass tab. And yeah, perfect. So let's see what's going on over here. So first of all, it will open the automated Chrome browser with this particular link, WhatsApp automation. Then it is waiting for 5 seconds. Then it will find that give exam button. Then it is going to click on that button, because we write dot click over there. And then it is again wait for 5 seconds. Then it is going to print the current tab handle. So the handle is something bigger than like this, so you cannot easily understand that thing. And then we are initializing tab with all the tabs open over here. right? So we are initializing tabs that will contain a list of this WhatsApp automation tab and the certificate tab. Okay, then for tab in tabs, we have to go into the first tab. Okay, so first of all, this tab will contain the WhatsApp automation page and the certificate page, right? So for first tab, that means it is the WhatsApp automation tab, we have to go to that particular tab, right? So we have to click on that tab, then we are going to print the URL, that is this thing. Then again we have to click on the certificate tab, then we are going to print the URL of that certificate tab. Okay, you can also write print driver dot title. Okay, it is going to print the title as well. So yeah, after that, let me just write one more thing, or I can directly write over here comma \n because it will create two more new lines so that you can separate both the things. Okay, so yeah, let's try to run this cell after closing that automated browser, because now it is going to again open a new browser. So yeah, let's run this cell. You can see it open the browser. Now it is going to open WhatsApp automation course. Yeah, perfect. Now again it is going to open the certificate tab page, sorry. So you can see that it printed the first URL, that is the WhatsApp automation URL, and it printed the title of that page, and then it printed the certificate URL, and then it printed the title of that particular page, right? So in this way you can go between different tabs, or you can say different windows. Okay.